Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So I would like to introduce my module, my micro credential module, which is called as Sustainable Environment Interarchitecture, where it is designing with nature or designing through nature. So whatever it is environmentally friendly design. Alright, so I'm Samia. I'm from UMK. Currently, I'm teaching interior design at Department of Interior Architecture, Faculty of Architecture and Acoustics. So, regarding my micro-credential modules, it is Sustainable Environment Interior Architecture, where the module description is discuss expose students to be familiar with passive design consideration and the use of non-renewable energy sources with the building. So this synopsis of the module, this course will expose students to the design methods in the field of construction that give negatively affect the environment. So for the learning outcome, it is describe the appropriate green design methods to apply while maintaining the quality of the environment, which is PLO 1 and C2. So for the syllabus or for the modules, so I make it into 6 number of the module, which is global sustainability, sustainable design or sustainable architecture, indoor environmental quality, EQ with the elements, materials, and also lighting, EQ, energy and water, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, and also the last one, GBI, and summarization of sustainable environment in architecture. So for the course assessment plan, so basically the same thing. So we're gonna have 6 MLO, no, micro learning outcomes, which is to explain the global sustainability, to explain the sustainable design in the scope of sustainable environment in architecture, to explain indoor environmental quality in terms of building elements, materials, and lighting, to explain indoor environmental quality in terms of energy and water, to explain indoor environmental quality for HVAC, to explain the summarize GBI and the sustainable environment in architecture as whole. Alright, so for the total MLO, SLT is 32 credit hours. Alright, so the same thing, it is the model. So we're gonna just go straight to our modules, which is Introduction to Sustainable Environment in Architecture.